Chapter 1. Installing software. Note: the offline programming requires Windows 10 or later to install. After opening the installation package, select Next. When selecting a folder, it's better to change the target file to the D drive. After completion, click Install. After the installation is completed, right-click the software and open the folder location. Double-click to enter the resources folder. Then go to the resources folder in the app.asa or .unpacked folder. Copy all the files in the folder to the previous resources folder. Its main purpose is to copy library, DB and setting, DB. Chapter 2. BOM sort and CSV sort. You can check user guide to briefly understand the basic information of the software. Click Choose File to select the file to be sorted. Only if you don't have standard CSV file, which export from AD, you need BOM sort. Click Import. If there are unnecessary columns, you can select the column header, right-click, and click Delete Column. Delete column names such as serial number, material number, model number, etc. Ensure that the first row is the column number. Click Select Data and select the BOM designator, comment, and footprint information in turn. Then sort coordinate information, click Choose File, and click Import. Edit in the edit box and make sure the first line is the column number. In this example, the second line is blank. Select the box on the left and click Delete. Digitally filter mid-X and mid-Y to remove the column units. Right-click the column header and select Digital Filtering. Select the designator, mid-X, mid-Y, layer and rotation. After completion, click Merge List and click Download and Export. Enter the CSV sort interface, click Choose File, import the CSV file, and make sure the first line is the column number. Click Import. After digital filtering, you can click CSV Preview and zoom in to see the PCB board. If you have the standard CSV file which is exported from AD, you can skip BOM sort and directly enter CSV sort. Chapter 3. Footprint and Material. Click Get Local File Content. If the file is not generated after clicking, you can go back to see if the installation video file is copied correctly. You can add the footprint information according to your BOM list. You can double-click the table information to edit and adjust various parameters, as shown in the video. The operations for editing material library and footprint library are the same. After the data is added, you can download and export the database. Then import the database directly into the machine for use. Chapter 4. File. Click New File, enter the file name, and click Confirm. Click Choose File, make sure the first line is the column number, and click Import. Digitally filter mid-X and mid-Y to remove the column units. Right-click the column header and select Digital Filter. Click Fuzzy Match. You can match data based on the footprint library. Due to C1 is the first component, you need move C1 to the first row. Set the length and width of the PCB board, and choose single or multiple board. Enter the row and column information. Enter the row and column information. You need to manually calculate and enter row spacing and column spacing. Row spacing is the column distance between the two furthest first components of the same column. Column spacing is the row distance between the two furthest first components of the same row. Click Calculate the coordinates of the first component. The three first components of the panel will be automatically generated. Then click Panel Generate. All the panel's first component will be automatically generated. You can choose whether to skip panel in the last column. According to your fiducial, you can choose the fiducial type, and click Calculate the coordinates of the fiducial. Click Generate Coordinate. All the coordinates will be automatically generated. After selecting the material, right-click to adjust the material parameters. You can choose the stack according to your needs. You can check the component list. Finally, click Save. Right-click the offline programming software on the desktop, select Open File Location, find the saved file in the folder.